This is a product review on a ryobi Air Wave Air C brad nailer. Mine died with some no-name type thing, but this was 99 bucks. Haven't opened it yet, so see what we've got. Instructions. A little stupid bag for the hard plastic boxes. You can throw it in the back of the car, no problems then. Oil, need that. Some tools, nails. And the gun. Not bad. There we go. Got a nice little foot on it so you can't damage what you're working on. Similar setup than what I had, but a lot lighter. So I'll have a go and put some marker tray around the door and stuff, so I'll see how it goes. I'll do a review on it. I'm actually using it. Seems alright though. Alright, I'll do another video soon.